Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your CarKit Bluetooth. First, ensure your car's ignition is on and your CarKit has power. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings menu. From there, activate the Bluetooth feature. It's also important to make sure your device is discoverable, allowing your CarKit to find it easily. This sets the stage for a smooth connection process. Now let's get your devices talking. On your CarKit, find the Bluetooth settings or look for a pairing mode option. Your CarKit should then display a list of available devices. Locate and select your mobile device from this list. Sometimes, a pairing code, usually a 4 or 6-digit number, will appear on both screens. Simply confirm this code to complete the secure connection. Encountering issues. Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If pairing doesn't work, a simple restart of both your phone and the CarKit often resolves the problem. Also, consider deleting any old Bluetooth connections from both devices to prevent conflicts. Finally, ensure your phone is within close proximity to the CarKit, ideally within 10 meters, for a strong and reliable signal. Congratulations! Once successfully connected, your CarKit will typically remember your device and automatically link up in the future. You can now enjoy the convenience of making hands-free calls and streaming your favorite audio wirelessly through your car's speakers. Remember to adjust the volume settings on both your phone and the CarKit to achieve the perfect sound experience for your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.